Hey guys, today I'm going to be testing out some new things I got for Christmas from my friends. So if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so my friend Kelsey, I work with her, we're really good friends, like we're really close. And she got me these brushes. Are they not so cute? And they also have two sponges, a little one and a big one. I'm going to try all these out today. And this is the brand Primrose Rose Hill London Blooming Season Deluxe Face and Eye Brush Set. And each of them have, it tells you the names on the back. Of like, this is all over powder, really cute, and I'm excited to try this out. Also try out this eyeshadow, since I, forgot all about it in my other videos. I was like trying out new makeup out. LA Color Stunning, I thought that was a really pretty palette. I think I've swatched these, but that's about it. But these are really pretty colors, really good for Christmas. Excited. They're really, they're blue, so I really like the colors of them. They look like they're decent. Oh my god, these are so soft. These look like decent brushes. Like, I was like panicking out. I was like, oh my god, I'm not cleaning my brushes. I'm not, wait, Jessica. That's what you're trying out today is brushes. So, yeah, you might want to calm it down a little bit. I really need to clean my brush to do, like, just to clean my brushes, straighten up my room, clean my beauty room, because my beauty room is like the worst place to be at sometimes. I literally just cleaned it up before I done this video because I was like, I'm not doing a video with a dirty room, so I'm going to have to kick it in gear and just do it. So I'm here doing it. Okay, so I'm going to go into this primer with this Broadway face primer. I love this face primer. Oh my god, like it's the bomb. Let's go ahead and rub it on my eyes too, might as well. Like, I'm so excited for Christmas, guys. Like, y'all don't even know how excited. Is this Wet n Wild Cucumber spray? I watched Laura Lee's video and she tried this out and she loved it. And she said that they don't sell it no more. So I'm going to try to stop using so much of it. So maybe, let's keep it. Like, I don't like cucumbers at all. But it's really not a bad smell. Like, it really is. I'm born this way, and I'm sorry if it's a little bit dark. Because, like, after I dyed my hair, I feel like my foundation is not matching with my skin so well. Because I'm so used to, like, having that one color, and like I think my hair is like making my face lighter, so I also need a good tan, but things happen. So I'm just going to rub this all over my face. I don't need a lot of these. I'm kind of excited. Okay, I think I might need some more foundation because it seems like it's not wanting to give me a lot of coverage, and I know this is pretty sure this is like full coverage. Medium to full. I haven't used it in a while. It was my favorite foundation for a while. It still is one of my favorites. It's not bad at all. Like, I mean, it's a little bit stiff. Like, it's not as squishy as this one. But also, it does pretty well. And it really doesn't move the foundation like I thought it would. Because where it's, like, really not squishy, really. I thought it might bring the foundation with it. But it really didn't, so. This Broadway concealer, I love this. If you remember me using it the first time in the video, I had a hard time getting it to come out. I was like, oh my god, like they are really doing this to me right now. Cleaned a little bit, took a shower, played with my dog, and then my husband got up, and then we ate and hung out. I went and hung out with my parents for a while, and that's basically what I've done all day. Wow, that blends out really well with this. Oh my god, like I just patted it all over the place. Look at that. like it blended out pretty well under my eyes. I really like this concealer. It's for like dark circles. So here is my favorite Airspun powder, and I'm going to use this brush right here. And this is for powder, obviously, because it just said that. I knock off some of the excess. I'm going to put it under my eyes where, you know, because you want that to stay on there really well. Okay, and then I'm going to do on my nose, my forehead a little bit, and my chin. And those creases, my small lines. I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyes since I am waiting. This eyeshadow comes with this, which you know I'm not using, so... Well, I didn't mean to actually drop that, but whatever. I'm going to use... I'm going to use this. And I'm going to set my eyes with this white shadow right there. Oh, God. These are really small brushes. Like, my other brushes are really long, and these are, like, really short. So, I'm sure that these would be really good on, like, blending out and stuff. Because, like, you got good grip on your brushes. Okay. Don't know why I'm hitting off the excess, because we all know if you hit off excess with LA Colors, it does not work. So I don't know why I was doing that. I guess I'm just used to it. Like, LA Colors is a really good brand. A lot of people, you don't really hear a lot from them or about them or anything like that. And I'm not really understanding why, because they are really good brands. Like, they're decent for $1. They really are. I mean, that's the way I feel, you know. Brown. And I'm just going to go all over my eyelid. Not really all over, but just like the inner, my God, the outer part. I'm just going to work this right in the middle and down below. Everybody should feel comfortable doing makeup, because, I mean, it makes people feel better and it makes them feel good, so... I'm going to go in with this dark brown right here. Like, these two colors are, like, really similar to each other. I don't really know the difference between them. But I'm going to put this right in my outer corner. I'm just going to work that. I'm not going to hit off any excess. I'll leave a lot on my brush. Just going to go with it. Okay, for my inner part of my eye, I'm going to use the gold color kind of like right there. And I'm just going to use my fingertips. Because I think it might just go better with just my fingertips. So I'm going to go ahead and brush away this powder. I have these two colors. My cousin Kelly gave them to me, the ones that I put, the girl that I have on my YouTube. And we have a business together when we're trying to put a business together. So, the darker one on first and the lighter one on second. I darkened it up a little bit. But, I don't know. I mean, the eyeshadow, I mean, you're paying $1 for this eyeshadow. So, I mean, it's not going to be perfect. I think it's really nice. I think it's really pretty eyeshadow. That's just me. I love these brushes. Oh, hold on. Almost forgot my Urban Decay. I'm gonna use this and just see how it looks on the eyes. Just real fast. Oh my God, I love that. Oh my God, I really do. This brush to see. I'm using the Wonder Beauty Wonders Dust Dawn. I'm using this highlight over here. I like its highlight. It's not so like, I like the eyeshadow. I mean, it's $4, so it's what you pay for. I don't hit the access off LA Colors simply because you can't, because you're not gonna get a payout on it. I mean, that's fine with me, because I mean, it's what you pay for, it's what you get. I really like these brushes. I mean, they are really decent. Like, you can tell it's not cheap, and it's really soft. I love the sponges also. Maybe my new favorite brushes, who knows, because I have like 1,000 of brushes now, and I love it. So I have so much to choose from. I really like that Stardust thing from Urban Decay. I really like that. I might use that for Christmas because that is really gorgeous on the eyes. So, you know, I love the foundation. I love my setting powder, my setting spray, my prime set, whatever, fresh. I love it all. I have so much sponges and stuff now that I'm so excited about. Like, I'm growing my channel and I love it. And, like, I'm happy to have you all here watching me, and I hope you all enjoy it. I just love meeting new people, having new friends, watching new people. I love it. Thank you all so much. I love you all so much. I do not like the lip. I know it's a lip gloss. I'm more of a matte girl for lips. Occasionally I'll wear, like, lip gloss if I feel a little frisky. I don't like these. Have you ever wore like lip gloss and it's like, it gives you a headache and it has like a nasty taste to it? Like, I know it sounds really weird, but I don't know. I feel like it's just irritating my lips. Like, it makes me want to take it off because it's kind of giving me a headache. Like, I don't know if it's the smell, the texture, or what it is. I just don't like it. I don't. But everything else I love. And I thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for this video if you enjoyed it. And always follow my social media. And thank you all so much for being here. I love you all. Bye.